Okay, so this one's got some interesting language here. You use nearest neighbour interpolation, okay? You can basically just ignore what that actual phrase means, and let's just go ahead and read the question. Estimate the wind speed if you're standing at 0, 0. So let's go and find 0, 0. I'll be able to zoom in on here, so I have an advantage, right? Here is 0, 0. Now, you can clearly see that if I'm at 0, 0, I'm within this cell, right? And what is my closest site? My closest site is B. So if I'm walking around anywhere in this cell, maybe I take out my mobile phone, and on my app, I go to the weather station, and it's going to read from the closest weather station. So even if I'm here, or here, or here, or here, as long as I'm in this cell, it's going to read from site B. So if I'm at 0, 0, you can see that I'm going to read off the weather readings and everything else from site B, and site B is 11 kilometers per hour. So that's how to do these questions, and that's site B. And then let's go part B. You just have to be able to understand that -1, 3, when we zoom in on here, is we go to -1 and then +3. Can you see, right? Clearly we are closest to site A because we are within this cell. So we're in this cell, and we're in the cell with the site A. Remember, these are the edges. And this little guy where the edges meet is called the vertex. So that's the language involved. There's a second vertex here and a first vertex here. Okay, so this is closest to site A. And site A has a wind speed reading of 14 kilometers per hour. And part C, -4, -2. I'll do the same as you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You can see that I'm in this particular cell, and this cell is all tagged to site C, so I'm closest to site C. So that's what nearest neighbour interpolation actually means. So site C is 19 kilometers per hour. So I suppose if I'm here, the nearest neighbour, we talk about the closest site, and interpolation means we're using this particular value here to have a best guess for any point within the same cell. There you go, there's the first question.